In 2024, Ethereum processed over 39 million transactions in December alone. That's more than a million per day. And Solana, another popular blockchain network, blew past that with nearly 67 million transactions in just one day. Mind-blowing, right? But how do blockchain networks handle such immense activity while maintaining security and decentralization? In this video, we delve into the core components that make blockchains function seamlessly. By the end of it, you'll get the inside scoop on how blockchain nodes keep the network secure and efficient, how transactions make their way onto the blockchain, why gas fees matter, and how they impact your experience. Before we delve into the intricacies of its engineering, you might want to catch our earlier video. We talked all about blockchain wallets, your personal gateway to the blockchain. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to take full advantage of blockchain and Web 3.0. Nodes are the backbone of the blockchain. They power the network, validate transactions, maintain the ledger, and stay in sync to keep everything secure and efficient. Full nodes are like the ultimate historians. They store the entire blockchain history, verify every transaction against consensus rules, and act as the guardians of the network's integrity. Light nodes are a bit like smart travelers who pack light. They only store block headers and rely on full nodes for transaction verification, making them ideal for devices with limited resources. When you send a transaction, it doesn't instantly become part of the blockchain. Instead, it enters the mempool, basically a digital waiting room. Validators or miners pick transactions from here to include in the next block. But with thousands of transactions competing for attention, how do blockchains decide which ones to process first? This is where gas fees come in. Just like paying extra for priority shipping, users can attach gas fees to transactions. Higher fees incentivize validators or miners to pick up those transactions first, ensuring faster processing. During Ethereum's NFT craze in 2021, gas fees skyrocketed to over $200 as users competed for limited block space. However, some people find these high fees a barrier, which is why the blockchain world is constantly exploring ways to reduce them through scalability solutions and smarter fee systems. Unlike traditional fee-based selection, Kalp uses block height-aware processing. So instead of simply picking the highest fee transactions, it prioritizes them more intelligently. This means fewer orphaned blocks and faster confirmations. But gas fees are just one part of blockchain performance. And the evolution of blockchain projects often necessitates community-driven updates to the underlying rules and protocols. Unlike software on your phone, blockchain updates can be tricky. Some nodes follow the old rules and others the new ones, leading to a split in the network. This is called a fork, where two versions of the blockchain emerge. Kalp takes a different approach with modular upgrades. Imagine upgrading just one part of a car instead of building a whole new one. With Kalp, systems like the gateway layer can be updated without disrupting the entire network. Now you know how nodes keep the blockchain humming, how transactions journey from mempool to confirmation, and how gas fees and upgrades work. In our next episode, we'll explore the depths of smart contracts and dApps, two very important aspects of blockchain.
Download the Token Money Magnet app, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon now.